Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we are going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult: kitchen faucet installation. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. Installing a new kitchen faucet can be a rewarding DIY project, but sometimes issues may arise during or after the installation process. Here are some common problems that you may encounter and steps to troubleshoot them effectively. Check for leaks. If you notice leaks around the faucet or under the sink, tighten the connections first. Make sure all connections are secure but not over-tightened, as this can cause damage. If tightening doesn't solve the issue, you may need to replace damaged or worn-out parts such as O-rings or washers. Water flow issues. If the water flow is weak or irregular, start by checking if there's debris clogging the aerator. Remove the aerator from the end of the faucet spout and clean it thoroughly. If the problem persists, check for kinks or obstructions in the water supply lines. Temperature control problems. If you're having trouble adjusting the water temperature, make sure the hot and cold water supply lines are connected correctly. The hot water supply line should be connected to the hot water valve, and the cold water supply line should be connected to the cold water valve. If they are reversed, you'll have temperature control issues. Handle issues. If the faucet handle is loose or wobbly, you may need to tighten the set screw located under the handle. Use an Allen wrench to tighten the set screw, but be careful not to over-tighten it, as this can cause damage. If the handle is still loose after tightening the set screw, you may need to replace the handle or cartridge. Persistent leaks. If you've checked all connections and there are no visible leaks, but water is still dripping from the faucet, it's possible that there's a problem with the cartridge or valve inside the faucet. You may need to disassemble the faucet and inspect the cartridge for damage or wear. If the cartridge is damaged, you'll need to replace it. Professional help. If you're unable to troubleshoot the issue on your own, or if you're uncomfortable working with plumbing fixtures, don't hesitate to call a professional plumber. They have the expertise and tools necessary to diagnose and fix more complex problems. Following these troubleshooting tips and best practices can help you successfully install and resolve any issues with your kitchen faucet. Remember to approach the task methodically and with caution to ensure a smooth installation process. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on a kitchen faucet installation. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.